So this is the Nuraphone. This is a very kind of new addition to the headphone market. It's made up by a startup company called and the product's called Nuraphones. This is a really interesting product where it basically reads your hearing and learns how you hear, and then implements that into the actual kind of product itself. When they were making this, they actually used technology which they used to deaf the deafness of babies, and yeah, it's really kind of interesting kind of new product on the market, and this is going to be a unboxing of it. So let's have a look. So open this up. Okay, whoa, look at this. So this is the case of it. This is the newer case. It's quite a large case actually, and this is a handle that's got a magnet. Look at that. But yes, this is a quite interesting kind of little case. Let's get inside to see the actual headphones. So having a look inside, this is quite a big moment. So open it. Oh, look at that. So this is obviously the Nuraphones. This is the kind of case that goes in. It's really like kind of premium quality design. Really, it's got a nice kind of look and feel to it. But inside, these are the actual headphones itself. Look at that. So we have, again, this is really good quality. We've got a really nice kind of case for the USB A cable, I believe. This is to charge it, and you can probably also fit your USB Type C in there as well, a little kind of carrying case. So that's something to look into. Ooh. And then, of course, obviously it fits in there as a magnet. We have the actual Nuraphones in these. Wow, I've been looking at these for a while. So these are the Nuraphones. Lots of plastic seal in them, but they feel really nice in hand. And yeah, so with these Nuraphones, there's these tips in here. These so these actually produce the treble with the outside of the eardrum, producing the bass. And of course, you can customize the amount of bass you want by having how kind of it's not surround sound. It's just the kind of intensity you kind of want of it, and you can go right into front row mode. And yeah, but this is something kind of unseen on the market at the moment. And yeah, it's quite an amazing kind of product. So I will do another review after a few days, but this is just initial unboxing of it and what you expect to kind of find. Alright, so that's been the initial unboxing of the Nuraphones. As you can see, they're really premium kind of quality. I'm really looking forward to kind of wearing these and giving my feedback. Now, if you do want 20% off on your first order of the Nuraphones, there'll be a link in the description. This is a offer by €1 which they offer to people, again, for the first offer. Also, you can get free delivery when you sign up on the website. This is something I did not do. So with the free delivery and with the 20% off, you can effectively just save 25% off, so a quarter of what you normally buy, and I'd highly recommend that. So if you want to buy them, use the link in the description. And that has been your review of the Nuraphones, the initial unboxing of it, would I say, and stay tuned for a actual review on it, but use the link in the description. Anyway, cheers for watching and take care.